Jake, what do you think of that car? You probably ought to leave it in the garage. Don't put it out in the gravel. Can you push it back? Oh, there you go. Easy. Easy. Yeah, there goes Katie. There goes Katie. She went to the other side, didn't she? Can you say hi to Mommy? You want to get in and ride again? You gonna haul some gravel? Yeah? We'll have to get your battery looked at so your lights will work. Yeah, yeah, the battery's dead.
Dada.
Granddad?
Dada.
Dada? Daddy? Yep.
Dada.
Daddy can check the battery.
Oh.
We'll have to get him to check the battery.
Dada. Dada.
We just need to add you a little horn on it, don't we? Or a bell. Hey, wave bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.